Welcome back. Here's today's build. As my most viewed video at the moment every day seems to be Formula 1 related, thought I'd get another one of these done. This is the smaller set, so it's like more of a Speed Champion scale from Cada. Really good manufacturer of kits. The bricks go together really well. So yeah, I thought I'd just pick this up. As you can see, it's arrived from China in a terrible state. Literally, just pull it into a polymolar and that's it. You know, they should box these sort of things. There's a lot of people that like collecting brick sets. I like to build them rather than just keep them all pristine. So it's not too much of an issue for myself. I'll probably keep this one, but yeah, some sets I do just build and sell straight on. So the box would obviously make a better resale on that, but yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, not too many parts in this. 271 pieces. It's like 4 or 5 bags of bits. Little minifigure and loads of tools. Bizarre, interesting. And then the manual. So let's clear the table ready and let's get building. See you shortly. is all finished. What do you guys think? I think it looks really good. A few little issues with it. There's a nice amount of detail, all the fairing and everything like that. Like the detail of the wheels and the front wing. Main gripe for me is they've made it for a minifigure to sit inside, of which this is Joe Granu, and he just sits too high in the vehicle. I mean, this halo is supposed to protect the head, but even his shoulders are higher than that, so this, yeah, there is scope. I mean, it would need to be modified, but they could have easily positioned the driver a lot lower in that vehicle. That just seems bizarre to me, that they've provided a minifigure, given a minifigure style 80s steering wheel and space for the minifigure to sit in, but sits in it like it's a 1980s Formula 1 car where they used to sit really proud of the vehicle. But yeah, there we go. It is what it is. You know, quite often these sort of scales you can't even fit a minifigure in at all. For me, way too many stickers. The only printed part on any of the set is this printed tile right at the very end, which just basically is like a nameplate for it. Bizarre. I hate it when stickers overlap several tiles. So like this at the back, this is actually covering about 4 or 5 different tiles. So yeah, for someone that wants to take these apart and rebuild them, once you've applied the stickers, pretty much you can't. Stickers didn't really apply very well onto the tyres, the tyre walls, so why they couldn't just be printed, I don't know. And yeah, for me, there's just too many. You know, I like the ingenious way they've used like spanners as part of the suspension parts and stuff like that, but you know, these parts don't even touch. Whether they're even supposed to be part of the suspension, I don't know. Fair in here, they just come off way too loosely. On a real car, these aren't just straight out of that. They come in at various angles. So there's no sort of adjustment on that. That's very delicate. Front wing's fairly sturdy. It did fall apart a little while ago on me, but it's mainly these two pieces here that do come apart. The rear wing's very sturdy, which is very impressive. And you look underneath, and it's bizarre how you've got the way some of it is designed. I guess they're trying to go with sort of introducing many different styles of build, but it leaves these loose bits that don't really fit on brilliantly. I don't know whether you've built this set and you feel the same, but for me there's a few corners that have been sort of cut. But on a shelf as a display piece, it will look great amongst other F1 cars, and you know, it's nice to have a licensed set. It would be nice to have the choice of different numbers. You know, some people might be more of a fan of Bottas, would want his car. There we go. Fairing's just fallen off again. But yeah, overall not too bad. There was only one other gripe I found with the front stickers, is right towards the very beginning. This front Alfa Romeo sticker showed it positioned higher up. I'll just take that one off. It showed it sitting higher up here, and then on step like 2 or 3 you then place another one which then completely covered that sticker, so it didn't really clearly state that the sticker needed to be positioned lower down, which therefore now has sort of put a bit of an imperfection in that as well. So for some people that would really spoil it. It's really frustrating me, these side pieces. But yeah, overall instructions were okay. I've had better, and I've had better from Cada as well, so I'm surprised that there were a few little flaws, in my opinion, on the set. But yeah, it didn't take too long to put together. This has been recorded on a x8 setting, so you could always slow it down to see the real-time build. But yeah, there it is. What are your thoughts? Have you built any others? I might be looking at getting the larger scale. I've obviously got the video out of the Mercedes F1 1/8 scale car, so possibly, well, I've definitely got the McLaren one still to build, which I will do a video at some stage. And then they do an Alfa Romeo one of the same scale, so I might well get that to sort of complete the set for the time being. It's just having the time to build it, as you can see, because yeah, I'm trying to put out as many builds as I can, and yeah, it's proving quite tricky. Just to show you the amount of stickers this came with, I haven't even applied them all. Some of them were just in sillier places I didn't bother with, but there's extra tyre ones to go on the back of the tyre, which I didn't bother with. But yeah, sets these days, they don't need to have so many stickers. It's silly. I understand it's a car and it's got sponsorship to it, but yeah, if they could print a tile like that, why can't they print other logos and everything on other tiles? It makes the whole set seem so much better quality when they do that. But there we go. Interesting to hear your thoughts. Interesting to see what you'd like me to build next. It seems to be a lot of people interested in cars, so I do, where possible, try to build a lot of cars. I have got some tanks actually, which I haven't put any videos out on, so I might do a tank soon. And yeah, please do like and subscribe to support my channel. I'd like to get it to the 1,000 as soon as possible. Heading up to the 650 mark as this video goes out, so yeah, keep on watching and see what comes next. Thanks very much. I'll see you again soon.